India created 70 new billionaires in just 12 months, while 800 million Indians live on less than 200 rupees a day. The top 1% now owns 40.1% of every rupee in this country. That's not bad luck. That's not destiny. That's a system, and today, we're going to expose exactly how it works against you. In 1991, India opened its economy. The government promised a rising tide would lift all boats. But here's what actually happened. Between 1991 and 2023, billionaire wealth grew by 121 times. The average Indian middle-class salary? It grew by just 3 times. The system didn't malfunction. It worked exactly as designed, just not for you. Here's the trap nobody tells you about. You get a 60,000 rupee salary. You feel successful. But after rent 15,000 rupees, EMIs 18,000 rupees, groceries, school fees, and petrol, you save maybe 3,000 rupees. That's a 5% saving rate. Meanwhile, inflation runs at 6.8%. You are mathematically getting poorer every single month, even while working harder. Now watch what a rich Indian does differently. Mukesh Ambani doesn't earn a salary. Reliance paid him just 15 crore rupees last year. But his net worth grew by 1.2 lakh rupees crore. How? Assets. His money makes money while he sleeps. He owns equity, real estate, and businesses that generate returns 24 hours a day. You were never taught this difference. Meet compound interest, the most powerful force in finance that your school never mentioned. If you invest just 5,000 rupee per month starting at age 25 in an index fund averaging 12% returns, by age 55 you'll have 1.76 crore rupees. Wait until 35 to start. You'll end up with only 49 lakhs rupees. 10 years of delay cost you 1.27 crore rupees. That's the brutal math of time. Here's a secret the wealthy use that salaried Indians never discover. Section 80C 80D HUF accounts, LTCG exemptions. India's tax code has 57 legal deductions. The ultra-rich hire caste to use every single one. The result? Gautam Adani's companies paid an effective tax rate of under 17% in 2023. While you paid 30% on your salary automatically. Same country. Completely different rules. The biggest middle-class mistake in India? Buying liabilities and calling them assets. Your 80 lakh rupees apartment on a 20-year loan costs you 1.6 crore rupees total after interest. Your car worth 12 lakhs rupees today will be worth 3 lakhs rupees in 5 years. Rich Indians buy assets that pay them, rental properties, dividend stocks, businesses. The middle class buys things that drain them. Robert Kiyosaki was right. So how do you actually break the cycle in India right now? Step 1. Start a SIP of even 2,000 rupee monthly in Nifty 50 index funds today. Step 2. Build one digital income stream, freelancing, YouTube, or selling an AI-generated product online. Step 3. Read one finance book every month. The gap between rich and poor in India is not about luck. It is about financial literacy, and you just got some. The richest Indians didn't get lucky. They understood rules the system never taught you in school. Now you know those rules too. The wealth gap is real, but it is not permanent. Not for you, not anymore. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe and hit the bell. We drop life-changing money facts every single week that your CA, your boss, and your school never wanted you to know.